Video, I will show you how to sell a package. So the first thing you'll need to do is put in a client name in order to sell the package. Next, you'll go to the Other tab and you'll select the package that you want to sell. Now, packages can be multiple services all included in one package, or they can be a series of services where it's 3 or 10 of the same service. So we'll go ahead and put in 5 manicure, 5 blow dry, and go ahead and click add to ticket. And then it's going to ring it up. I'll go ahead and make a payment, click apply, and now there's that. So if I go to Carol's ticket, or sorry, not her ticket, her client card, and I go to her account, there is going to be a list of her packages. So these are the 5 manicures, 5 blow dries that she has. So see here how it says 5 of 5 manicure and 5 of 5 blow dry, and it shows the unused value, and it'll give me a grand total of the unused value of all the packages she's purchased. Now if I want to go ahead and schedule her for those, I just go in here, I click on a time, and there's Carol, and I go ahead and say, okay, she's going to get a Mike doesn't do those services. Let's say Georgia, a manicure, and blow dry, right? Okay. So I go ahead and I schedule my services, and then you'll see once I check her in, it will update to reflect that this is part of a package. So it'll update the net price to be the new amount since it's related to a package. And when I go to checkout, the amount will not display because it's included with her package, so she doesn't owe any money today. Now I do need to complete this payment, so I'll go ahead and select no sale because there's been no money exchanged at this point. And then go ahead and apply payment. And then you'll see if I go to Carol, and I go to her account and I go under her packages, you'll see that 4 of 5 are remaining, so I can keep track of that. You can schedule packages. There isn't a way to do it through express booking, but if I go to find appointment, I can also schedule Carol for this package by going all the way to the bottom of the list and selecting that and click search, and it will search for that availability. Go ahead and click book, and then you'll see that right here on the calendar. Thank you for watching and have a great day.